students, all is well. Welcome back again. This is the second part of the chapter number 6 of history, town traders and craftsperson. In these chapters, we will cover the remaining part of the chapters, means about the temple towns. In the previous video, we had discussed about the court towns, capital towns, and the factors of emerging that court towns or capital towns. But in this video, we will discuss about only temple towns and the emergence of the temple towns factors. Now, temple towns and pilgrimage centers. If we see the medieval India, many towns in medieval India developed because of its temple. Means in the earlier times, kings want to show their power, wealth in the form of constructing wealth. Means in the earlier times, kings done the work of constructions to show their power and wealth. So, because of the temples, we can say that the emergence of towns is one of the reason. Second is that the temples were important for the economy and society. Students, in the previous times, temples were important for the economy and society also. A large number of pilgrims flocked to these towns because pilgrims means, you understand, pilgrims, Tirthyatri. A large number of pilgrims flocked to these towns. Their needs created demand for many things. This gave employment of a large number of priests, garland makers, sculptors, shopkeepers, traders, workers, musicians, dancers, weavers, and many other craft person. That is the reason that temple was the source of economy and the growth of society during the medieval India. Did you understand these things? The rulers built temples to show their power and wealth. I already told you that why the rulers of the medieval India construct temple, why they focus only to construct temple to show their power and wealth. Actually, they want to show their power and wealth, how much they are powerful. So that's why they always ready to do the work of construction of the temple. Now, they granted temples adequate land. They granted temples also, rulers granted temples adequate land and money to carry out elaborate rituals, feed priests and pilgrims, and to create festival. Also, this was the duty of the king that times to allot land to the people. Also, give money and some gifts to the priest, and all the rituals followed in on the name of the king, and feed priest well, and celebrate all the festival in the temple only. Now let us see more about temple. Temple authorities started to use their wealth to finance trade and banking. All these factors created great demand for many things and provided employment and to many people. Means, how did the people get the employment that time? Temple authorities gradually started using the wealth of the temple, as like Tirupati Balaji, means whatever the money are donated by the peoples, they all money used by the temple authorities for the construction and for the development of the temple. All these factors created great demand for many things and provide employment to many peoples, and these factors provide employment to the many people. That was why towns grew around temples. Some of the towns included Mathura in Uttar Pradesh, Somnath in Gujarat and Andhra Pradesh, and Madurai. Madurai. These are the temples are the best example. These are the temple are the best examples of this kind of activity performed during the medieval time. Moreover, various pilgrimage centers like Ajmer Sharif, Kashi, Varanasi, Prayag, Allahabad, and Buddh Gaya, Tiruvananthapuram, Tiruvannamalai. These were the important temples which was developed during the medieval times, and they were the main source of economy and growth of society. Students, here is a picture of few temples that was emerged during the medieval time. It was a temple of Varanasi, Govardhan temple of Mathura, and this is the temple of Tiruvannamalai temple in Tamil Nadu. These were the famous temples during medieval India that was emerged that times. I hope all of you understand the importance of temples and the reason of emergence of temple towns during the medieval time. Thank you and have a nice day.